Some dancehall fans get it wrong. Get up every day and blame Babylon. When some artists not only a sing song, but a par with bad man. When you talk your mind, them say a bad mind, and I try stop them artists shine. And the truth is, a long time some artists are bad vine. And up the tree of crime, them been a climb. It's like as soon as a man bust, a gun them by force. And if them get catch, them fans start cuss. Then turn round, blame the system, and act like them artists are the victim. Some man turn star and still a fight war. Me here say some man are done. Some of them even a lead gang. I know some man a go vex, but I couldn't care less. I still a try wonder how 30 man fit in a one Mark X. Yo, and these entourage, in a them, enough criminals there a camouflage. Me here say a street cred, some a try offer. Yo, it's like them love be a liar. Some man must find it sweet for driving a jeep. I don't know, sit down on some court seat. Yo, me not fight no man. Me a real dancehall fan. The difference is fam, me not afraid for tell a man say them wrong. Some sing about everything them do. Some do everything them sing about. Then when time catch up, some man just come and run off them mouth. Yo, a joke thing. Them a real fan belts where they even good for the artist health. Then you have the 3 GRAN FOLLOWRA. Them is like a disease. Worse than cholera. Yo, the man them a killing at them artist name. You can imagine if a them did have the fame. Some artists not take talk. I can't say the man them dark. It's like some not have no real friends. Alone yes men, they're on them. Look how many they are prison and some still not listen. You know how much go jail? And then a ball say at them the system fail. But family, the excuse there, I get stale. And since you say the system a fight the youths, I want to tell them the truth. You ever see Agent Sasko, Ja Vinci, or Wayne Marshall in a prison suit? Youths, you need to stop with some artists, prostitutes. Right now, I know some man a cuss. And I get ready to tell me who and who, you know, I forgot suck. Watch what go happen when we buck. Or even when them a come shoot. But deep down, them know the truth. Say instead of help, some artists mess up enough youths. Me know some a go say this lame and teach them just love complain. But not see a word truth it. Big up yourself, Groupie. I know the 3 GRAN. You don't want to lose it. Anyways, you don't know the drill. Teach, not to care still. You're a big man. Do as you will. But make sure you have your lawyer bill.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.